So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take little pliers, these guys, alright? I'm going to clamp this up a little bit, and you'll notice that it's going to turn white. So I'm turning it around. I don't want to do it too hard. So see how it's white. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the shrink up. And see how it's still stuck? It's still holding on there. So I didn't clamp enough. You don't want to force it. It should just go right up. And I'm going to slide it up. Slide it up. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold her hair and slightly slide. There we go. I'm going to hand that to her. And then if this thing right here, if it doesn't slide right out, you want to kind of just twist a little bit and it slides. Perfect. Now, well, you don't need that. Now what I'm going to do, you can comb this all out. It's not necessary, but you can. I'm going to then put a shrink back on. I'm going to put it back up to the top. Just going to hand me that hair back. Slide it in. My heat tool, you want to make sure that the well is open when you put it on in the bottom. You want to hold it for about 6-7 seconds. And you remove. Look at that. Alright, and you basically just do every single one of them the exact same way. It is that simple. It is that safe for your hair. It's not damaging. And this is called Shrink Links by 916 Hair Extensions. Thanks, guys.